What's up mga tolls? Welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Officially Missing You by Tamia. Nasa standard tuning tayo. Let's start. So, first part ng kanta is the intro. But yung intro, yung first intro, verse, and chorus, same lang yung chord na gagamitin. So, yung first chord na ginamit ko is G major 7. Next is F sharp minor 7. Passing chord to B7. So, there's a chord chart there in the screen. Hope na nasunod nyo yung chord chart. Next chord is E minor 7. Or this one, if you want a bar chord. Next is E D minor 9. And also, it depends on, it's either D minor 7 or D minor 9. Passing chord to G7. Next chord, C major 7, or this one. Next is B minor 7, passing chord to E minor 7. Next is A minor 7. Last chord is D7 suspended. Okay, so we'll try. That's it, the intro, verse, and chorus. So, how to play the strumming of this song. So, just pluck mo lang yung ano ito? Okay. Okay. Yun lang. Pluck mo lang every chord, yung bass chord niya. So, example, G major 7. Then next chord is F sharp minor 7 to B7. Okay? So, di ako masyadong marunong sa paano mag-tutor ng strumming pattern. Kasi nahihirapan pa ako, so chords lang yung mga binibigay ko. So sana makuha nyo yun. Tap, then strum yung sa string sa baba. So sana makuha nyo. So, after the first chorus, balik tayo sa verse. But yung verse 2 natin is meron ng ibang chords. So, yung ginamit na chord is G major 7. You know that already. Next is F sharp minor 7 to B7. And then E minor 7. Next is D minor 9 or D minor 7 to G7. So, it's either D minor 9 or D minor 7 only. So, pili lang kayo sa isang chord na doon. And then, after G7, C major 7, and then B minor 7 to E minor 7. And then, ito yung bagong chord is A minor 7 to B7. Okay. Next chord, C major 7, B minor 7, and then E minor 7, A7. Next is C major 7, or this kind of C major 7, and then B minor 7, passing chord to E minor 7. Next, A minor 7, last chord, D7 suspended to D7. So, lay around 2 years full of tears, looking at your face into one, just so we could tell you were my baby. I didn't even know you at all. Tell you right out. So, yun. After ng verse, balik ulit sa chorus. Same chords lang yung ginamit ng chorus natin. Yung second chorus natin sa chorus 1. Next is the bridge part. Yung chord na ginamit ko is F major 7. Pwede ding wala ito. Ito lang yung gagamitin nyo. Next chord is G major, C major 7. So, F major 7, G and C major 7, dalawang balik. And then, after ng second C major 7, passing chord to B minor 7 to A minor 7. Next chord is B7. And then, after B7, tatlong passing chord na E minor 7, D major, or this D major, so that you can switch to the next chord. This chord is C sharp minor 7 flat 5. So, E minor or E minor 7, D major, and then C sharp minor 7 flat 5. Next chord is A minor 7, and then yung last chord ng bridge is D7 suspended. Well, it's like you just get over you, baby. But it's sweet as diamond that I do. From the way you hold me to the sweet songs you told me, I just can't get away. Can nobody do it like you? So yun, yun lang yung bridge part, and then after nun, balik ulit sa chorus twice. So until mag-fade. Yun lang mga tools, and hope may natutunan kayo ngayon sa tutorial ko, and maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta sa channel ko, sa mga nag-like and subscribe, and sana suportahan nyo pa rin ako sa mga bago kong tutorial. And just don't forget to click like and subscribe para updated kayo sa aking channel, and follow my Facebook page. Nasa link yung description. And yun lang. God bless mga tol.